Karnataka and Andhra seem to be having friction with, Andhra Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy met in New Delhi. You were there tracking those meetings, which is what held you up from coming in for the show.
Absolutely. I was covering Southern View from the capital of India, New Delhi. Veera, it's very important because earlier it was suspected that Mr. Revanth Reddy will not turn up for this meeting because Banaka Cherla is a very, it's a very sensitive project. It's very important for the larger Polavaram project that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu has envisaged, and it's very important for the Rayalaseema region, which is of course Chittoor, Anantapur, Guntur, Kurnool and a couple of other districts, to get the kind of water it deserves to flourish. And Mr. Chandrababu Naidu was here. In fact, Revanth Reddy was also here, and he came at the insistence of C.R. Patil, the Jal Shakti Minister. The centre today not just played the role of a mediator, but also ensured that both sides, who would have otherwise had a lot of problems, they sat across each other at the table. A committee has been, in fact, a committee will be formed, and that will look at both, sides. And there is going to be a formula that will be formulated soon, so that Andhra gets the water that it needs, and also Telangana does not get left out, because Revanth Reddy has also asked for a couple of things, including repairs and existing treaties and agreements to not be violated.
Absolutely. This project's an over 80,000 crore project. Andhra plans to divert Godavari floodwaters to the Prakasam barrage on the Krishna River at Vijayawada, and then pump it on to the Bolapalli reservoir, and from there to Banaka Cherla reservoir, benefiting Kadapa, the arid Kadapa areas, and Kurnool in the Rayalaseema region. My colleague Tanushka has this report.
Amid rising water woes between both the Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the chief ministers of both states, Revanth Reddy and Chandrababu Naidu, met today with Union Minister for Water C.R. Patil right here at the Shram Shakti Bhavan in Delhi. Now, this is with respect to the Godavari Banaka Cherla river linking project. There are water sharing issues between both of these states, regarding which a centre convened for a meeting to go about a certain dialogue. And what has come out of this meeting that is just concluded is that a water board will be formed. A committee will be formed by Monday, which will comprise of officials from both Andhra Pradesh government, Telangana government, as well as representatives from the centre, to come about a conclusive solution as to this water sharing issue. Now, what we also understand is that chief ministers of both states have agreed to form a Krishna river management board in Vijayawada and a Godavari river management board in Hyderabad. What we also understand is that this committee, which is to be formed by Monday, will comprise of technical and administrative officials from both the states as well, and that this decision was taken seen as a positive outcome of a meeting between two of these states and the chief ministers of these states. Key decisions were also taken regarding the Srisailam project. Installation of telemeters will be done as well, and the establishment of both of the river management boards. Now, this is definitely seen as a positive development for both the Andhra Pradesh and the Telangana government, which has been at loggerheads with each other with respect to this water sharing issue. With camera person Manoj Thakur, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.
Thank you, Tanushka, for joining us with those details. Veera, clearly resolution seems to be far away, but there seems to be a lot of work that's in progress here.
That's right. We'll take a very short break now on the Southern View. When we come back, Vasudha, India's big dog dilemma. We'll even get a newsmaker on the issue of dogs that bark and bite on the streets.